Hey there, welcome back to Love Code, where we demystify relationship wisdom. Let's talk about something that drives women crazy in relationships: when he pulls away. It feels like you're on this amazing journey together, then suddenly, bam, he's distant, quiet, and you're left wondering what you did wrong. The truth is, guys pull away for a myriad of reasons, and it's rarely as simple as it seems. We're going deep into the male psyche to understand why this happens, and more importantly, what you can do about it. I know how it feels, that pit in your stomach, the endless replaying of every conversation, every text. You start dissecting every interaction. Was my last text too much? Or did I accidentally say something to scare him off? When a guy pulls away, it feels incredibly personal, like a direct reflection of our worth. But here's the thing. 9 times out of 10, it's not about you at all. Men process emotions and relationships differently. While we seek connection during stress, men often retreat. Understanding this difference is key to saving yourself a whole lot of heartache and unnecessary anxiety. All right, let's dive into the male psyche. Understanding why men sometimes run and hide can be quite a puzzle. Men aren't always the best at expressing their emotions, and this can lead to misunderstandings. Sometimes pulling away is their way of communicating that something's up, even if they can't put it into words. So, what are some of the most common reasons why men pull away? One word: fear. Fear can manifest in many forms. We're talking about the fear of losing their freedom, their sense of independence. As the relationship deepens, some guys get spooked. They might feel trapped or pressured. They might worry about losing their me time, their personal space to recharge and reflect, their ability to just be without any expectations. Another big one: overwhelm. The pressures of life can be daunting. Men deal with stress from work, family, finances, and life in general. This can make them retreat into their shell. And finally, there's uncertainty. Men can be just as unsure about their feelings as we can be, if not more. The takeaway? Men pull away for various reasons, often complex and deeply personal. These reasons often stem from their own internal struggles rather than anything you've done. Understanding this can help bridge the gap. Chapter 3. The don'ts: avoid these common traps. He's pulling away and you're anxious. Your heart races and you want to fix things immediately. But take a moment to breathe and gather your thoughts. Avoid bombarding him with texts and calls. The more you chase, the more he'll pull away. Don't stalk his social media. It leads to more anxiety. This will only drive you crazy and make you feel worse. Avoid the urge to fix it. Understand the situation. It's about understanding and responding thoughtfully. Take a deep breath, put down your phone, and reclaim your power. Chapter 4. Flip the script. What to do when he pulls away. Focus on yourself. Prioritize your well-being, and remember, your value is inherent. Reconnect with passions, friends, and hobbies. Enjoy quality me time. Your happiness should never depend on someone else. If you reach out, stay calm and open-hearted. Confidence is your superpower. Surround yourself with positivity. Embrace your independence and trust in yourself. You are enough. Chapter 5. The hard truth: knowing when to walk away. Sometimes pulling away isn't a phase, it's a pattern. If he's consistently distant, unwilling to communicate, or leaving you feeling more insecure than empowered, it might be time to ask yourself the tough questions. Are you truly happy in this relationship? Are your needs being met? Is he adding value to your life or creating more stress and heartache? You deserve a love that sets your soul on fire. A love that feels like a safe haven, not a battlefield. Walking away from something that no longer serves you creates space for something even more amazing to enter your life. Outro: you are worthy. Claim your happy ending. Relationships are tricky, but here's your reminder. You're worthy of someone who's as invested in you as you are in them. When he pulls away, don't let it shake your worth. It's an opportunity to grow, reflect, and realign with what you truly deserve. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more relationship insights. I'll see you in our next video with practical strategies to make him stay and desire you more.